Ever wondered how to unlock your peak performance using just the food you eat? Today I'm diving into the world of nutritional biohacking, where science meets your dinner plate. First up, what biohacking? Imagine having the power to tweak your body and mind for optimal performance using food, supplements, and technology. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening now, and you can be a part of it. Let's talk about food as your tool. Your diet can be your best ally or worst enemy. Ever heard of intermittent fasting? This is where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting, giving your body time to repair and rejuvenate. Studies suggest it can boost brain function and energy levels. Now let's dive into smart nutrition. Think omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds. These are brain-boosting fats that can enhance cognitive function and mood. Or consider nootropic supplements designed to improve mental performance. They're like a secret weapon for your brain. And don't forget about hydration. Dehydration can zap your energy and focus, so make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Simple but powerful. But a word of caution. Always do your research and consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. Not everything out there is backed by science, and safety should always come first. Nutritional biohacking is becoming a billion-dollar industry, with more and more people looking to take control of their health and performance. Major players like Apple and Fitbit are already in the game, creating tools to help you track and optimize your health. So, if you're ready to unlock your peak performance, why not start with what's on your plate? Small changes can make a big difference. Give it a try and see how far you can go. Remember, your health is your wealth. Happy biohacking! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the alert bell for more health and wellness knowledge from Peak Mind Provisions 369.